How many of you remember pandemic? We all do. Let's be honest. The best part, wearing a cozy pajamas and attending a meeting. Bottom up, you wear a strong shirt, bottom down pajamas, or maybe no pants. We all been there. Now here's what nobody tells us. You have a big presentation during those pandemic, and you are in the Zoom meeting. Your collaborators are joining, and you give a big presentation and you land it very well. And you look at those tiny faces in those screens, and you just wait for the reaction. And there was an awkward silence. And you hear a voice crackling in the speaker. Could you switch on your microphone? Damn. For the next 20 minutes on that call, you feel like you ran a marathon. You feel like you're exhausted. Something Zoom fatigue kicks in. And you wonder why. There's something missing. And here's what research tells us. When we meet a person in real life, our body aligns, our heart rhythms matches, our brain signals rhythms. This is how humans are connected for thousands of years. And boom, COVID, everywhere you see remote meetings and screens. And that connection we had, lost. So, in Zoom meetings, our brain works overtime to recognize those emotions, and it just fades. My research asked, can we bring back that lost connection back into those Zoom meetings? I solved this by 3 ways. First, sensing. You can't fix what you can't see. So I utilized some wearable sensors that can sense your heart rate, your brain activity, and your cute micro expressions that you show in your video meetings. Second, understand. I built machine learning models that can interpret those signals. So they can sense your stress level, they can sense your heart rate, emotions, and they can sense your connection with your colleagues even 30 seconds before everyone notices. Third, intervention. Knowing isn't enough. We need an AI tool that acts upon it. Now picture this. You're in a long hour meeting and suddenly everyone is tired, 2 colleagues are arguing with each other. My AI tool understands this concept and nudges, hey guys, would you like to take a break? Or, hey guys, this is what you guys, and bridge the gap between the misunderstanding. And just like that, team is back connecting. We didn't lose technology, we didn't lose connection because of technology. We lost because technology couldn't see what was missing. My research changes that. AI tool that doesn't replace human connection, it restores it. Thank you guys.